Maamuka seiko mhuri yeZimbabwe. Ini zita rangu ndinoitwa General Stole. I think vazhinji venyu munondiziva. I'm one of the people vari kurana nyaya yaComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu, our own political activist who rose to prominence nokumiririra mhuri yeZimbabwe nekushuwira change yekuti vana veZimbabwe vararame zvakanaka. Tinoda kutenda nekuda kwesupport yamuri kuisa kuna Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu. Tinodazve zvakare kuti titende nekuda kwemonetary support yatinowana kuvanhu vari kubatsira Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu. Sekuziva kwamakaita nezuro kuti case yaComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu yakapatsanurwa into two. The first case yakamira ndeye fraud case yavanonzi muna July last year vakabhadharwa mari kuZimbabwe yekutenga masofa asina kudhilivhiwa. I don't know how, because Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu has been in South Africa from 2017. Havana kumbogara vadzoka kuZimbabwe. But in any case, it's fine. Let us respect the judicial system. Nekuda kwekuti is a complaint which was raised, and it must be sorted through the justice system of South Africa. We want to believe that my courts in South Africa are not captured. They are not going to be arm twisted to serve the political will of certain individuals. Case iyoyo will be heard on the 29th of October 2025, which is actually the next month. So tinoda kutenda kuti Mwari vachatiitira zvakanaka. Then we have got another case extradition yavanonzi ivo vakabatirirwa pamhosva yakaitika munguva yavanga vari a chairperson of Teurairopa Cooperatives in Zimbabwe in 2014. Yavanoti he contemplated the court order yekuti vakombenzete victims asina kuzokwaniswa kusevwa that cooperative according to their agreements. We don't want to dig deep into the issue to try understand my dynamics aripo, because tinotenda zvakare kuti the justice system of Zimbabwe at once it will serve the purpose of the judiciary, not the purpose of the politics. So we are likely to have Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu be in jail until the 4th of November as from now, which actually is more than 80 days if I'm not mistaken. Vari mukati ndo zvainoita revolution. Zvinhu zvacho zvinoenda zvichioma, but we have got a strong belief kuti Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu havana kuuraya munhu. Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu is a political activist which actually is supported by the notion yekuti Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu has been existing from 2014 pavanoti ndo pakaitika mhosva. The fact yekuti he was no longer safe after the coup akabuda akauya kuSouth Africa, according to him, we can still respect that. The fact yekuti Zimbabwe has never forwarded anything towards this issue in South Africa up until 2025, pavaita rose to prominence through the anti-2030 campaign and the regime change advocates, is what we have to respect, that this is a political matter. So we have taken an initiative which we need at least 100 people who can come and partner into this project yatirikita yekuti tiende tinoita bow down to the demands of the judicial system of Zimbabwe. Nekuda kwekuti vari kuti kune an outstanding amount, we need to go and pay the restitution as a move to try and help Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu So if Comrade Nyoka Mabunu was not having my political circumstances surrounding him, we would advocate kuti vaende vanozvimirira nyaya dzavo, asi nekuda kwema-interest aripo to serve the political demand, which is advocated by everyone who is in power today, we are saying and declaring the ground of Zimbabwe not being safe to Comrade Nyoka Mabunu. So he is a critic to the government. Therefore, we know the consequences of that. So we are saying we are not going to use politics to defeat the justice of Zimbabwe. We have got things which we have to respect. The Constitution of Zimbabwe, we give respect to it because it's sacred. The justice system of Zimbabwe, we need to make sure that we respect it. So we need to meet the demand of the justice system of Zimbabwe, which actually we need to use the alternative. The alternative is to pay that restitution over this matter. As to whether does it exist or not, we will see when we are there. So I am one of the people vachabvisa $74 over the 50 people vatinoda vanokwanisa kutibatsirawo nema$74. So we are running short of 49 people, but kana tichibvisa ma$34 tiri kutaura kuti isusu we are running short of 98 people. Ndichabvisa 74 yangu, 98 people must come and donate ma$37 over this issue. We are going to be going to the courts of Zimbabwe to go and pay that restitution. Kana uchida kuva partner into this, you need to conduct us on the numbers dzatinoshandisa parevolution idzodzo, then tokupai ma-directives ekuti munobatsira sei, munobhadhara sei. And I want to urge everyone who donate towards this cause to keep your proof of payment up until Comrade Nyoka Mabunu vachinge vabuda. This is what I'm going to say. And we are making sure that we are going to make records of everything. We are raising the amount which is $3,700. This is where we are going. We need to go there and pay the restitution of this money under the surveillance of the media. Yatinenge tichishandisa. We have managed to take this issue to the platform of international media, and we are still on the briefing with the investigative journalists who are going to cover this matter. We understand that this is a political matter, and the government of Zimbabwe understands that it's a criminal matter. So we are now meeting on the tug of war, and we are much concerned of his safety. We are not up to fight the justice system using politics. We don't also expect the politicians to use the justice system to fight political battles. So we are meeting on the line here as the people of Zimbabwe. We believe that Comrade Nyoka Mabunu has got a right to life. So I need 49 people who can actually donate $74. And those 49 people can actually conduct us on the numbers which we have already given. We are going to invite also all the media houses. You know, this is not a joke. We need all the bloggers. We need all the media houses who can actually cover this matter. We have got a good cause which we have towards this issue, you know. So we have launched a hashtag Together We Can and the Road to Unlock Freedom of Comrade Nyoka Mabunu. This is a campaign which is going to run from now up until 50 days dzichipera, uye kana dzisina kupera tichadzi extender as long mari isati yakwana. Let us do the right thing, people of Zimbabwe. We are going to make sure that Comrade Nyoka Mabunu is sound and he is safe. 49 people remaining now towards raising 3,700, which is actually towards the restitution of the demand of the courts of Zimbabwe. We need to actually save the demands of the justice system of Zimbabwe because it's sacred. Therefore, let us work together. Comrade Nyuka Mabunu cannot afford his legal bills. Comrade Nyuka Mabunu is not affording even to save his family. Comrade Nyuka Mabunu is not affording to save his food even in jail. So it's actually a poor man wallowing in the dust of poverty and in the dungeon of jail to actually save as a repercussion of the advocacy for the people of Zimbabwe. We can only show love once as the people of Zimbabwe. Let us come together. We know we are going to meet challenges to go and pay this restitution, but let us do our duty. We are going to see how best can we do it. I will be personally on the ground and part of the legal team which is going to be seeking to actually pay this restitution, and it is going to happen during our lifetime, and we are going to do it, and we are going to be proud as the people of Zimbabwe. So toda kukutendai mese munokwanisa kubatsira, rambai muchibatsira. Comrade Nyoka Mabunu is one of your own. Don't allow one of your own to perish in your hands. 49 people to go, $74 per each person towards the mobilizations of funds to restitute Comrade Nyoka Mabunu's legal demands from Zimbabwe in compensating the outstanding amount which is in Zimbabwe. So we really need to go and do this. We are at Batsirane, Murie Zimbabwe. We want to understand. Nasi Maskati, I will be having a media briefing which is going to be covered with a prominent media house, and what we are going to do here is to actually make sure that we give a clear statement. We are not saying Comrade Nyoka Mabunu is clear in whatsoever implications, but we are saying this is a political matter. It was qualified to be political matter by ZANU-PF's interest, over this man. And I have quoted that to clear that statement and qualify it. Chris Mtswangwa is not actually a police commissioner, is not a minister of justice. He is a politician who actually showed interest to Comrade Nyoka Mabunu's extradition, right in ZANU-PF press conference. And that automatically qualifies him being the secretary for information and publicity in the political party which is presiding over our government. It shows that whatsoever allegation is against Comrade Nyoka Mabunu, it falls to serve the demand of politicians. So we are saying let us protect Comrade Nyoka Mabunu, and we are going to do that using what we can. Please, the people of Zimbabwe, once let us do one good thing and we are going to be proud. So I am going to directly dealing with the people. And the numbers that no chance apano pa revolution, you put there every payment ya unogonanga waita. Kana uchida ma payment details, we need to actually give my payment details iwayo and keep your receipt, so that tomorrow we can actually account for what you have done. Thank you so much. Believe kuti we can still do this, and Zimbabwe is a country ine vanhu vane rudo. Tinoda kutenda kune vese vachabatsira. Tiri kuenderera mberi nema media briefings kutaura wataita. Kana Mwari vakatiitira zvakanaka tichange tichipa briefing ku the BBC as of now towards the issue you cover. I think you saw yesterday Daily Maverick released an article, and that article, everything which is there is actually the truth. And we are not going to speak lies to tarnish the government of Zimbabwe. No, we are not going to do that. We are fighting a political battle on the political grounds, but we need to separate politics from the judicial system. Therefore, this is what we stand for, and I am one of the contributors. My $74 is there. We are short of 49 people who are going to give us $74 each, and we are going to raise 3,700, I will personally go on the ground to actually go and restitute. Then we cover the demands of the justice system. So ngatibatsirane semhuri yeZimbabwe, sevana vanoda upenyu hutsva. Takatarisana nedambudziko. We are actually establishing the economic revolution towards the freedom and emancipation of our black people in our lifetime. This is what we are going to do. We stand for the liberated country of Zimbabwe, which is able to feed its own people. So it's a journey we are going together. Media houses, tanzwa mkoma wangu Gambagwe vachitaura kuti let's call waters under the bridge. Mkoma wangu, let's work together. I am clearly showing kuti you are free. We need all the media houses, all the bloggers. I'm going to get every international media house to be into this matter, and also our internal media houses. Just come and do the right thing at once. Let us help one of our own. Thank you so much. Never chabatsira. Mazuita muitiro zvakanaka.